In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page status in Confluence. Keeping your Confluence pages up to date isn't just about the content itself, it's also about clearly showing your team whether a page is a draft, in review, or finalized. That's exactly what page status is for. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to change the status of a Confluence page and how to choose or add a status that matches your workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace and that you have permission to edit or at least manage the page status. Then, start by navigating to the page whose status you want to change. You can find it through the sidebar, the search bar, or any space overview. Once you see the page content on your screen, you're in the right place to begin. At the top of the page, look for the current status indicator. Depending on your Confluence setup, this might be a label like draft, in progress, in review, or published, usually near the page title or along the top toolbar. Click directly on that status area or on the button or drop-down labeled Change Status. This opens a small menu where you can manage the page's current state. When the status menu appears, you'll see a list of existing status options. These are typically predefined by your organization to match your content lifecycle. To update the page, simply click the status that best reflects where this page is right now. For example, if you've just finished writing and you want someone to check your work, you might choose In Review. If the page is ready to be used by your team, you might switch it to Published or Final. In some Confluence setups, you may also have the option to add a new status. If you see an option like Add Status or Create New, you can select that to define a custom label. Keep it short, clear, and meaningful, such as Needs Update or Archived. This helps everyone understand exactly what to expect from the page at a glance. Just remember that adding too many custom statuses can confuse your team, so try to align new ones with your existing workflow. Once you've selected or added the appropriate status, the page will update automatically. There's no need for an extra save step just for the status. It should now appear at the top of the page for everyone with access to see.